So, hey everybody, this is Dave, and I am Braden's daddy. We are here to do a one-box break of 2015 Leaf autographed football jersey, random divisions break number 50. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to roll the dice here. See how many times we're going to random the names, then I'll random the divisions, then I'll pause the video briefly, and you guys could go ahead and try and trade your division. We only reroll Snake Eyes. We got hard 6. So let me pull up random.org. Here we go, guys. There are all the names. DJ's got 2, Vo's got 2, Mikey's got 1, and How 1, Government Cheese 1, and Ed Botto 1. We're going 6 times on the randomizer. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th and final time. Have Botto on top, DJ on the bottom. And I'm going to grab the divisions here. All right, good luck, guys. Good luck. We're going to match them up right after 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th and final time. AFC South on the top, NFC West on the bottom. So we've got something like that. At Botto, you got the AFC South, Mikey, the AFC North, DJ, the AFC East, Vo's the NFC South. N-How's got the AFC West, Government Cheese got the NFC North, Vo's the NFC East, and DJ winds it up with the NFC West. So I'm going to pause the video here. Welcome back, welcome back. There were no trades. So what we're going to do is I'm going to roll the dice. Preferred method of everybody that's been doing these. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, or 8. If it doesn't come up, I'll re-roll until we get one. But not a problem the first time. We got a 6. So we're going to open up box 6. Let me move these. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Well, this one is going to the NFC North. Government Cheese. New guy, Mojo. Ray Horning from the Packers. That is a Packer jersey going to the NFC North. Now, where does my screen go? There we go. Boom, boom, boom. New guy Mojo in effect. NFC North. Government Cheese. What's the division? It's 20 a division. Random division. Let me pause. Welcome back, everybody. We got another jersey box we are going to do here of 2015 Leaf autographed football jerseys. Random division, one box break number 52. I'm going to pull up random.org here. Let me get that up. Make sure that's there. All right, cool. All right, I'm going to roll the dice here, see how many times we're going to random the names, then I'll random the divisions. Then I'll pause the video, give you a few minutes to trade your divisions if you want to. So here we go, guys. We only reroll Snake Eyes. We're going 10 times. 10 times. Let me pull random.org back up. All right, here we go. 1. This is 52. We did 50 earlier, Bose. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9er. And the 10th and final time. TH up top. JRK on the bottom. Okay, I'm grabbing the divisions here. No, Government Cheese actually won. As he says, it's getting sent to him. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. We'll match you guys up after this. Going 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9er, and the 10th and final time. NFC North up top. NFC East on the bottom. So we've got this. TH, you got NFC North. RS, you got the AFC East and the AFC North. Adbado got AFC South. Grant, NFC West. Debo, AFC West. Dave Mart, NFC South. And JRK, NFC East. I'm going to pause the video here for a second. Welcome back, everybody. There were no trades. There were no trades. So we're going to roll 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. If one of those numbers comes up, that's what we're doing. If not, we'll keep rolling until we get it. 10, no good. 5, 5, 5, 5. We're going in the middle. All right. Let me move that there. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Once I find my cutter. How do you roll? 1? Oh, shit, that's true. I didn't even think of that. We got to use random.org, guys. We have to. Hold on. I'm going to have to go. Well, I can't because there's an 8. I'm used to not having that 8 on there. I mean, that's up to you guys. If you want to use this, that's fine. If not, I will use random.org. I totally am not used to having those left under. You want me just to renumber them? I mean, I can do that. I'm so used to doing those helmets from before. I can renumber them. How about that? I'll renumber them. Okay, go with 5. Okay, now they're good with it. The next one, I'll renumber them so we only use the 1 die. I'm so used to doing those damn jerseys or the helmets now where we only had to use the 1. All right, guys, good luck. Well, here is a Oilers jersey, which means it's going to the Titans, which would be the AFC South. Not sure the first name. Hall of Fame 03, Bethea. Bethea. Who we got? Who's got the AFC South? Elvin Bethea. That's Adbado with the AFC South. Adbado, AFC South. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I think you're right with the Elvin. I think it's Elvin. All right, congrats. Adbado, you got it. All right. let me get back to my screen here. I saw more orders coming. Let me pause the video. And guys, if you go, welcome back everybody. This is Dave. I am Braden's daddy. We're here to do another box of 2015 Leaf Autograph Football Jersey Random Division Break number 53. So, I'm going to roll the dice here, see how many times we're going to random the names and then the jerseys. Or, I mean, the divisions. My bad, divisions. We only re-roll Snake Eyes. Got a 5 and a 3, 4, 8, 8. So, let me pull up random.org here. Here are all the names. We got Wisco Badger, Landgren Leisure, Government Cheese, Vose, Grant, Shoe got 2, and Devo for 1. So here we go, guys. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th and final time. Shoe up top, Landgren on the bottom. We'll grab the divisions here. All right, good luck, guys. Good luck. We'll match you up right after this. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th and final time. NFC West on the top, AFC East on the bottom. So, looks a little something like this. We've got Shoe. You got the AFC West, or the NFC West and the AFC North. Devo, you got the NFC East. Government Cheese, AFC West. Wisco Badger, NFC South. Grant, the AFC South. Vose, the NFC North. And Landgren, the AFC East. I'm going to pause the video here briefly, and you guys could trade. Welcome back, everybody. There were no trades. So I'm going to remark these boxes 7 and 8 here. So we only have to use 1 die. So this will be 3. This will be 4. All right. I'm going to roll. 1, 2, 3, or 4 comes up. We're taking it. 5 or 6, I'll just re-roll again. It's a 3. So, let me move this. All right, good luck, guys. Good luck. Here we go. We've got, this one is going to be going to the AFC North. JSA certified. Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. AFC North is, who's got him? Shoe. Another new guy mojo here. Shoe picks them up. Shoe. Congrats. Let me write this on. AFC North Shoe. 1973. Very nice. I must pause the video here. Welcome back, everybody. This is Dave, and I am Braden's daddy. We're here to do a 1-box break of 2015 Leaf Autograph Football Jerseys. Random Division break number 54. So what we're going to do is I'm going to roll the dice here. I got you sliced dice right after this. We'll see how many times we're going to random the names. Then we'll do the divisions. And we only reroll Snake Eyes. 1 and a 4. We're going 5 times. Let me pull up random.org here. All right, we've got from bottom to top. JJ's got 1. Y Punch picked up 2. Buffalo Bills. New Boot. Dodge Depend on God. Devo. Mikey. Here we go, guys. Going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th and final time. Y Punch up top. Devo on the bottom. All right, now the divisions. All right, good luck, guys. Good luck. Match them up after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th and final time. AFC West on the top. AFC North on the bottom. So, hold on, let me do this real quick. There we go. Now we can see everybody. All right, Y Punch, you got the AFC West. Dodge, the NFC West. Y Punch, the NFC North. JJ, AFC East. New Boot, AFC North. Buffalo, NFC East. Mikey's, the NFC North. And Devo, the AFC South. I'm going to pause the video here for a second, and you guys could trade. Welcome back, everybody. There were no trades. There were no trades. So, what we're going to do is roll 1 die. 1 or 2, it's going to the top. 3 or 4, the middle. 5 or 6, the bottom. So, here we go. It's a 3. We're going in the middle. All right. Good luck, guys. Good luck. This one is going to the AFC South. Who's got the AFC South? That's going to Devo. That's the Colts. That's T.Y. Hilton. T.Y. Very nice. Very nice. AFC South is Devo. Yes, it is. All right, let me mark this down. All right. Of course, when I don't have them. What's the saying? A day late and a dollar short, right? All right, guys, what we're going to do, let me pause the video real quick. Actually, I don't even have to pause it. We're going right into the next one. All right. On the screen next is 55. Jersey, box number 55. So let me get this ready. All right. Welcome everybody back. We are here. I am Dave. I'm also Braden's daddy. What we're doing is another 1-box break of 2015 Leaf Autographed Football Jerseys Random Division break number 55. What I've got here, we're going to roll the dice, figure out how many times we're going to random the names, then the divisions. We only reroll Snake Eyes. A 1 and a 4, 5 times. Let me pull up random.org here. There we go. So this one we got. That is not. It's R. E. It's RS. That's RS, not RE. So RS. Devo. Wax Pac-Man picked up 4. He really wants one in this one, I guess. Grant and New Boot. All right, here we go, guys. A 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th and final time. New Wax Pac-Man up top, RS on the bottom. Now the divisions. Okay. Wax Pac-Man says it wouldn't be fun if it was guaranteed. All right, good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th and final time. NFC West at the top, AFC West at the bottom. So we've got this. Wax has NFC West. Devo, the NFC South. Grant, the AFC South. Wax, you got the NFC North, the NFC East, and the AFC East. New Boot, you got the AFC North, RS, the AFC West. So I'm going to pause the video here briefly, and you guys can trade. All right, welcome back, everybody. There were no trades. So here we go. Oh, we didn't even see. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 on the top, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. It's a 3. I would have been safe anyways. All right, here we go. Here we go. And as we said, there are multiple teams because here's a Packer jersey again. We got James Lofton, Hall of Fame 03 for the Packers. That's the NFC North. NFC North is Wax Pac-Man. Wax Pac-Man. NFC North. Wax Pac-Man. Cool, cool, cool. Congrats. Damn, it's a lot of jerseys sitting all over here. Let me pause the video here because I can't remember if number 56 was 50. Hey everybody, this is Dave and I am Braden's daddy. We are here to do a one box break of 2015 Leaf autographed football jerseys. One box break, random division box number 56. So here we go. Let me bring, I'm going to roll the dice first. We'll see how many times we're going to random the names, then the divisions. We only reroll Snake Eyes. We got Little Joe. 1 and a 3 for a 4. All right, here we go. We've got Devo for 1, Bose for 1, Government Cheese for 1, Dodge Depend on God 1, DJ's got 3, and Shoe, you got 1. Good luck, good luck. Hawk fan, you're DJ? So I got 2 DJs in here. All right, here we go, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Government Cheese up top. Depend on God on the bottom. Let me grab the divisions. Actually, let me do this. Now I'll grab the divisions. All right. Going 4 times, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th and final time. AFC North up top. AFC West on the bottom. And we've got this Government Cheese. You've got the AFC North. Bose, the AFC East. Shoe, the AFC South. Devo, the NFC East. DJ, you've got the NFC West, the NFC North, and the NFC South. Dodge, depend on God, you got the AFC West. Let me get that up there like that. Now you can see it. I'm going to pause the video and see if we're going to trade. Welcome back. There were no trades. We do not have to roll because there's only one box left. So here we go, guys. Good luck. Good luck. We've got another Oiler jersey, which is going to go to the Titans, which is going to go to the AFC South, which is Shoe. Beats the odds. Shoe beats the odds. We've got Bruce Matthews, Hall of Fame, 2007. No, I think there were only two in here, right? Oh, you're talking AFC South. Yeah. I thought you were talking about the team. Very nice shoe. Congrats. Congrats, man. Let me save that. Let me turn off the video.